How to create fast motion on CapCut. Are you guys facing issues to create fast motion on CapCut app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut, now select the project that you want to add fast motion on. After you enter the project, click on the video tab. Now look at the bottom of the screen where you can see the option for speed. Click on it. Click on normal. Now drag it to the right side to make your video fast. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add fast motion on CapCut. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding CapCut, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye guys.